I was lying flat on my back in the ICU, monitors humming. 2 weeks earlier, my husband came home from the hospital. Cancer. I became his full-time caregiver. My life wrapped around his needs and everyone else's. I told myself my symptoms were just allergies. Lemon, ginger, keep moving. I even got on a plane for a family wedding, smiling while my body was breaking down. 3 days later, 3 a.m., chest tight, emergency, ICU, water around my heart, water in my lungs. I couldn't help anyone. I was still helpless. In that stillness, the truth surfaced. I'd become the kind of woman who gives so much she doesn't value herself. Underneath the service was exhaustion, resentment, a quiet disappointment with the life that I was living. The hardest part was the story I carried. A good Christian woman, a good Christian leader always puts herself last. I called that obedience, but it was self-neglect. And the fear underneath it all, if I kept disappearing, I'd not only lose myself, I'd lose the integrity of my relationship with God. Because I was living like my worth was measured by output. In that bed, I met a different truth. God values who I am, not just what I do. He wasn't applauding my depletion. He was inviting my restoration. That realization didn't make me perfect, but it made me intentional. I started small. I practiced saying no. I released the guilt. One night a friend called to vent. Old me would have stayed on the phone for hours. Half present. Quietly resentful. Instead, I said, I'm not available right now. If you want me to really listen, we need to set another time. She was shocked. I was steady, and with each boundary, I noticed something change. I wasn't serving from resentment. I was serving from love. My body began to unclench. My prayers felt honest. I fed myself. I rested. I remembered I am a daughter before I am a doer. I share this because so many of you are holding everything together. You got it holding it all together. You're the one people call. You show up. You carry more than anyone sees. But underneath it all, you're exhausted and going numb. Hear me today. God's heart isn't for you to vanish in the name of service. Restoration is not selfish. It's stewardship. When you value who you are, your giving becomes overflow, not depletion. That shift saved my life, and it can change yours.